Yeah, go ahead. Oh, shit. Hey, this is my NUES on Simplex. Hey, how those units go on Simplex? Go on Simplex. Hey, we have an open window right here in the middle of this apartment complex.
Can you tell us how many windows down?
So where you guys at right now, where Salazar is at, it's about 5 apartments down in the middle.
What's your hats? Walk back here, you in the white shirt.
Hey, he's coming out.
This guy's going out to the front.
Hey, he's going out to the front.
He's going to the front.
Mr. Your hands.
He doesn't have a weapon, I promise.
Get out. Get out. Step out. Step out. Step out. Face that way. I thought he was fucking 20-something at me, dude.
No, hell no. I wouldn't.
What the fuck are you running for?
He's up to a fucking cop because you fools have. I see how you fools die.
Oh, he's running, he's running. Hey, come here, come here. Hey, he's going to the front. I get to the front. No, this Friday, white t-shirt, blue jeans.
Mr. Your hands. Get out.
What was that?
Get out. Step out. Step out. Step out.
13 degrees, shows
Face that way.
supervisor.
Fucking 20-something.
No, hell no. I wouldn't.
What the fuck are you running for?
He's up to a fucking cop.
Repeat your message.